Hey, BMW.
You're gonna be my lover tonight. Take it with, take it with, take it with.
Now, for everyone who likes it even sportier or more personalised, there's also a whole range of motorsport-inspired M Performance parts available that can be added to your 3 Series at any time. Take a closer look at some highlight parts from the M Performance range. Let's start with the front and the M Performance splitter, which gives the 3 Series a much more aggressive look. Like all M Performance parts, it's been tested at wind speeds of up to 300 kilometers an hour and is designed to significantly improve airflow and aerodynamics. Now let's check out these wheels, because we're talking 20-inch M Performance wheels, 795mm and in bi-colour, forged and flow formed from a single piece of aluminium. Now that sporty look seamlessly continues down the rest of the side, where the black high gloss M Performance side skirts and the frozen black films underline an overall dynamic appearance. Quite literally an eye-catcher are also the elaborately handcrafted M Performance carbon fibre mirror caps. And last but not least, the angle that most people will get to see on the road, and that is of course the rear. The combination of the front splitter and the rear spoiler gets even bolder with the addition of the carbon fibre rear diffuser, as well as the black high gloss bumper trim. So now that you've learned how to sportify and individualise your all-new 3 Series with M Performance parts, why don't you take some time to check out all the other goodies that it has to offer, like the design video just here. We've also got the intelligent personal assistant, or the connected and driving assist features, or you could just check out the main film here.